While researching Black beauty for Sephora, we noticed something. Search and content bias is everywhere. With young women spending more time online than ever, seeing biased search results can affect their self-esteem. But what does this have to do with beauty? Turns out, a lot. Try searching for K-beauty.
Beautiful women with clear skin.
2 retailers that are selling K-beauty products.
Or French beauty.
Unpacking the effortless cool of French girl beauty.
But what about Black beauty?
Okay, let's go to images. Yes, Black beauty is a black horse.
Wasn't really expecting that one.
Wow.
Black beauty is behind many of the trends, products, and styles we love. But it rarely gets the credit it deserves, especially online. We want to bring real Black beauty to the top of the search results. But we can't do it alone. By tagging #BlackBeauty on content related to Black beauty culture and creators, we can give Black beauty a boost. No offense to the fictional horse, but real Black beauty deserves to be #1. Join us in supporting and celebrating #BlackBeauty.